Hi, I'm Wayne Brooks. Today I'm going to share with you a short routine that will have you energized, recharged, and ready for the day. So let's get started. Let's get into our basic standings. So that is our feet hip distance apart, knees slightly bent, body straight, and arms away from our body. All right. Let's take a deep calming breath to start. So in through our nose and out through our mouth. And we'll open the chi gates once. So here we raise our arms up above our head, nice and slow, and bring them down in front of our face. This is to signify the start of this session. Okay. So to activate our energy, we're going to do knocking on the door of life. So we swing our arms around like helicopter blades, one arm tapping on our hips and the other arm tapping on the middle of our back at our door of life. We just do that. When you get the hang of it, just start and turn your body with the move, okay? And use your waist only, waist only. If you feel any pain in your knee, that's because you're turning with your hips. So let's just swing those arms around and get everything moving. Keep rotating, but bring your head back to center. And let's open up our lungs and activate them. So tap here underneath our collarbone. Let's just tap. You can use an open hand, or a fist. It's really up to you. This is just to activate our lungs and get ourselves breathing right for the day. Still tapping in the middle of our back. Let's go and activate our mind. Tap on our shoulder blades. Let's get that up and running, top of our shoulders. Get any stress out we can. Just keep tapping away. Should relieve any stress and get our mind working as it should for today. Let's go back to our lungs, under our collarbone. Just keep tapping there. Get everything moving. That's it. Lovely. And back to our lower part of our body with our hips, just tapping there. Beautiful. And then just slowly unwind. Lovely. Now we're going to go into a chi massage. That's where we start tapping with our fingers on our chest. And we're just tapping all over our chest. Start on one side and go across to the other, or start in the middle and go out. You can use your fingertips here, or you can use your fists like this if you need a little bit more of a massage. So here we're just activating all of our skin and our energy. Okay. Once you've got all your chest tapped, let's open up one forearm and our hand, and we slap underneath our collarbone here. And then we're going to work our way down our arms, all the way to our fingertips, turn our arms over, and then all the way back up to our shoulder blades. Get that going, and then we're going to go all the way back down again and tap down our arms all the way. Turn our hands over and go back the other way. Very good. Now swap arms. This arm comes out, and hand here. And then we're just going to go all the way down to our fingertips again, and all the way back up. Moving there. Okay, and again the same on the same arm. All the way down. Fingertips, turn your hands over, and all the way back up. And we're going to tap on the door of life on our body. So just use our knuckles and just tap around there. Just like we were doing on our chest, but now on the lower part of our back. Just tap around there. So here, the door of life is like our energy source. If you need some extra energy throughout the day, you could just give this a bit of a tap for 30 seconds or a minute just to get that shot of energy going through. Let's work our way down to our buttocks. Give that a nice big tap. This is where we get rid of all those pains in the butt we've been dealing with all week, all day, or whenever. Tap away. Oh, there goes Tom. Oh, there goes Mary. Yeah, let's get those pains in the butt moving. Anyway, then open our hands up. Let's tap down the side of our arms. Side of our legs, sorry. Let's just keep on going down. Just go down as far as you can. All right, just keep going down. Once you get down as far as you can, tap up the insides of your legs. Tap all the way up, then back up to bikini line and give that a bit of a tap. Then we do that all again. Tap the door of life. Give that a nice little tap around there. Get that energy circulating and moving and get it all happening. Then into our buttocks. If you've got any more pains in the butt, just make sure that you get rid of them. And then let's tap down the sides of our legs. All the way down as far as you can. And then back up the insides of your legs. All the way up to bikini line and give that a bit of a tap. You can use your fist here if you want, or just open your hands. Just tapping just here can increase the circulation in your body. So if you need to, you could just do this during the day as well. And then just slow nicely down. Lovely. Cool. How are you feeling after that? Just take the moment just to check in on yourself. Cool. I want you to bring your hands together in prayer position. We're going to do pushing heaven and earth. So here we push one hand up and one hand down. One hand goes above your head with the palm up and the other one down by your side. Bring our hands back together and we push away using the other hands. Just a gentle push, not a stretch. Okay, so we're just going to keep doing that. And then back. Let's get the breath involved here. So let's breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. You can bend your knees if you wish a bit further and then straighten them as you breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Do one more each side. I think that's the side we started, so one more. Bring our hands back together in prayer position. Now here we're going to bring one hand across in front of our bodies and the other one behind us, like we're twisting. And just twist from your waist. Bring your hands back together in prayer position and then twist again. Again, just twisting from your waist. This is to break up our energy in our spine so that it can flow more freely up and down our spine for the day. Back in and go. Let's get our breath involved. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time, both sides. And out. Breathe in and out. Get back to prayer position. And from here, we're going to push our hands together all the way up. Open in a V, look up. Bring our hands back together. Push them together all the way down. Looking down. Open, when you get down as far as you can, open them up. And lean on the balls of your feet. Keep your heels on the ground though. And then bring them back in. We'll do that all again. Hands together, push them together all the way up. To the top, open into a V. Back together, push down, and open up. Now we're just getting all of our energy moving through our whole body. Okay, this is called Dao Yin Flow. It's just a nice movement. Make sure everything's now moving. Last one. All the way up. All the way down. So let's go all the way up here again. All the way up and pause when you get to the top. Part your hands, reach up, and now turn your hands facing away from you. We're going to push our hands like they're pushing against a pane of glass. Push them all the way down. As you go down, you're going to bend your knees like you're sitting on the edge of a stool. Keep going down. Move your hands down past your face, towards your knees. Flick your hands up, and then we'll pull our hands all the way back up to the top. Again, push against a pane of glass. All the way down, like you're one of those mimes in the street trying to get through that glass that no one else can see. Bring your hands up, all the way to the top, and push your hands down against that pane of glass and go into a bit of a squat. But not too deep, just enough. Hands up, push your hands down against the pane of glass. Make sure you keep your eyes straight out. Don't look down, just keep them straight out. Okay. Do another couple. Get everything moving in our body. Last one. All the way up. And push against that pane of glass all the way down. So let's go all the way up and we'll get to the top. Let's pause. Go all the way up, pause, and let's reach as high up as we can. Just reach. And then release. And bring our hands onto the top of our head. Down our sides. Down our neck. Down our sides. Rub our back. We're going to forward fold here. So as we rub our back, rub our butt. Rub our back of our legs. Down by knees. I'm going to bend forward. Just bend as far as you can. If you go down to your knees, great. If you go down to your calves, excellent. If you go down to your feet, even better. Then when you get down as far as you can, just want you to release everything and just hang. So just reach your neck, shoulders, arms, and just hang there. We're going to take a nice, deep, calm breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Another one, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Last one, in through the nose, and out through the mouth. And now breathe normal. When you're ready, bend your knees slightly and slowly, very slowly, pull yourself back up to standing. And when you get up, just check in on yourself and how you're feeling. So far today, we've just activated all our energy. We've created some energy going through our body. And now we're going to put it into a nice flow to set us up for the rest of the day. So here, but make sure we're back into our basic standing form. Bring our hands onto our lower back. Let's take a nice deep breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And let's float our arms out. Go down like we're picking up a bucket of water or energy. And bring that bucket up. And we're going to shower ourselves with that energy as we bring our hands down in front of our face. Put one hand nice and loose on the side. And the other one, we're going to go out and weave some water. So you bend your knees slightly, go out with your hands and just bring it around in front of your face towards your belly button. Then the other one goes out to the side, come back about shoulder height, back in front of your belly button. And again, and back. Look out when you go out, bend that knee, bring it back. Last one. Each side. Beautiful. Let's bring our hands together and float them out again as we go down and grab some more energy. Let's bring it up and shower ourselves with that. Oh, just enjoy that coming over your body. And now we start weaving on the other side first. So weave out. Out. Just grab all that energy we've just created all around us. Oh, it's lovely. Last one each side. Do one more time. Float up, go down, grab the energy, shower yourself with it. Enjoy that shower. And then we weave one more time. Go out and over, out and over. Let's grab all that energy, bring it back to our bodies. Bring our hands together. Let's take a nice breath in and out. Release our hands. Close our chi gates again. Let's bring our hands up over our head and our hands down in front of our body. As we come to the end of this practice, bring our feet together, our hands together underneath our belly button. We just need a moment of stillness. Our body's done a lot of work right now. We need to let it absorb everything we've done. So just breathe normal. Close your eyes. Let's just have a moment of stillness. It's the perfect time to set an intention for your day as well. So when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for a beautiful session. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you again soon. Bye for now.